Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamualaikum. Come back to Delightful.
Each day of Ramadan, I'll be sharing a daily video. Today I'm going to show 3 snacks that I've prepped. Chicken-filled crepe and bread, pizza pinwheels and samosas. So first I'm going to show you how to make chicken mince samosa. Heat half a cup of oil, 4 blended onions and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix till golden brown on a high heat. Once the onions are completely brown, add 1.5 kg of the chicken mince. Mix till completely cooked. Once it's completely cooked, add half a cup of peas. Then add 1 kg of boiled cubed potatoes and 1 can of boiled chickpeas. Then add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 5 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Add the juice of half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. For the dough, knead together 10 cups of flour, 1 cup of oil, 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 4 cups of water. The water in small amounts till the consistency is right. Once it's fully kneaded, let it rest for 30 minutes. Roll a piece of dough into a thin circle. I've cooked the rotis. I made 10 at a time because it's good to fold them while it's warm. Cut them all in half. For the glue, add 4 tablespoons of water and flour and mix it together. Put the glue on one end of the pastry, then fold it to create a triangle. Fill the samosa with chicken and then close it with a fork. Place the samosas separately in a freezer and once frozen, take out and store in a container. It lasts in the freezer for up to a month. With that amount of dough, I made 50 samosas with extra filling left over. Next I'm going to show you how to make chicken-filled crepes and bread pieces. With the leftover chicken mince, I added some cheese. Make the crepes, whisk together 2 cups of flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. Whisk and add water till you reach the consistency needed. Consistency should be smooth and loose. Put the batter on an oiled pan and shape it into a thin circle. When the top is cooked, flip it over and cook for another 15 seconds. Add some of the chicken mince in the center of the crepe, then add the flour paste to the ends, then fold into a square. Roll a piece of bread with the crust. Add some of the filling to the end of the bread, the paste to the sides as well as the top. Roll and press the sides, leaving no gap. Dip the crepe and bread pieces in milk or egg, then the breadcrumbs. Do this twice. You can freeze these for up to a month. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make pizza pinwheels. Mix 6 teaspoons of dried active yeast and mix in 5 cups of warm water. Let it sit for 5 minutes or till the top has a foamy layer. To another bowl, add 12 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add the yeast mix, half a cup of oil and half a cup of yogurt. Until you form a smooth dough, add water in small amounts if needed. Then oil a bowl and put the dough in there. Leave for 2 hours or till it's doubled in size. I'm going to take a handful of the dough for the pinwheels. Mix half an onion and 2 sliced chilies. Then I'm going to add in the leftover chicken. Add half a cup of shredded cheese and mix it together. Now roll the dough out. Add 6 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, spread it evenly. Then add the filling. Now roll the dough from the longest side. Cut into 16 pieces. I froze mine with baking paper between each layer. With the rest of the dough I made naans. I let the naans cool, then I froze them.